Well, back to my favorite milk dam, and I'm showing you our small lake here in Mahok Dam. This is in our province of SDN, and we are joining the Simana Santa Panaad, and they're having this every year. I'm just very curious on how they're going to do it, so let's go. So that's it. People are coming here every year to do the Panaad, and this is my first time to observe how they're going to do it. And they're climbing the 700 steps and observing the Station of the Cross on how Jesus was arrested and slashed and crowned by thorns, and how Jesus was crucified on the cross, and they are going to observe that in every station. So I'm just very curious on how it goes, and here am I joining them and in my favorite lake. So this is the first station. So since we're late, so I'm not able to witness on what they say and do here in the first station. Okay, let's go. So this is participated by the people in the municipality and also the government officials, the DepEd, Department of Education, and the police people, and many others are also guests. Me, observer. Yeah, this is the second station where Jesus was praying in the Garden of Gethsemane. Okay, such a beautiful flower. So in the third station, where you can see that this is the time when Jesus was sentenced to die. In Bisaya, it says, si Jesus giukman sa kamatayon. So, yeah. That's Jesus there, and I don't know, this yellow guy that represents, so here it says, si Jesus giukman sa kamatayon, meaning to say that Jesus here was sentenced to death. So, yeah. So this is the fourth station where Jesus was crowned by thorns. Sa Bisaya pa, si Jesus gi latos o gipurong-purongan sa mga tunok. Alright. So I was able to catch up the fifth station where there's a lot of people joining here around. Look.